All right. What is up? We are in Almyrida in Chania. This is another place next to Calives in the eastern side of Calives. Very beautiful. This beach in this area is unorganized, and it has like these beautiful big rocks, and it's really nice to go snorkeling. Lots of underwater life exists here. I personally have snorkeled here. So we are at the very beginning, okay? So also it is possible from here to walk to Calives, but it is gonna be like a little bit far. But if you can come here, visit this place if you are staying in Calives by your car, and if you are staying in this area, and if you are planning to stay in this area, so you can figure out things that I am about to show you in this video. So we will be taking a walk into the Almyrida.
Ψώνια και αναλώσιμα.
Where the cold water sort of hits the whole water.
To be honest, I don't really see a big difference, that much of a difference between Almyrida and Calives. It is similar vibes, seafront side, resort or village. Yeah, it's now less of a village, more of a resort, because you see all of these places, or like coffee shops, cocktail bars, hotels. So yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. It is similar, it is same, just different, a little slightly different. Yeah. And maybe because one place, Calives, can get really busy, then we have also this next to Calives that people can hang out. Yeah, I don't really see that much of a difference. Yeah, the beach is similar, the port is similar. At the end of Calives there is a port, same thing. Yeah, let me know what is it, what is special about this place that you like. Yeah, because I cannot like put my finger on anything specific that I will say like, yeah, I prefer Almyrida, other than the beach, the start beach, the beginning, where it was like a unorganized beach. That would be the reason if I would come here. Then if you have something, let me know what it is. And here in this area we have a bar, a place where they are putting sports, and everybody is sitting drinking beer, maybe betting as well, not so sure, but yeah. So we have here the Elia and THYME, Tim, something like that. We have it. The view toward that island is beautiful from here. Nice breeze, and yeah, it's not bad. It is like you can sit here, the beach is just few steps away, and the view toward that island, little island, very beautiful. And I see somebody is trying to do some windsurfing, a different type of windsurfing where you have a kite. Yeah, and I guess he is getting it there already, over there. Nice vibe, nice place. Maybe I'm a little bit tired to see everything vibrantly. Yeah, maybe I need a coffee. And same as Calives, at the very end we have toilets as well. It is, I guess, from municipality. It's a gift. That's a good thing. Yeah, I might use it later. Again, very shallow beach, not windy at all, lots of kids playing. So it's, I kind of feel like if you are flying to Chania and if you want to visit the places in Chania and you find it like affordable, then maybe you can stay here in Almyrida, and then you can go to Chania, visit Chania. Yeah, it will be nice. I mean, staying in the Chania could be sometimes challenging because of the traffic, getting in, getting out. Yeah, but if you are staying here and you want to drive to Chania, spend an evening, that's also an option. I'm not saying to do anything specifically. I'm just sharing ideas, or maybe thinking loudly with you, brainstorming. And at the very end of this street walking path, we have another cocktail bar, coffee shop, and the port. Yeah, and also changing clothes, to change your clothes. So we have this, and also next to this coffee shop we have another beach. Well, this is a very nice place, Almyrida. Pretty straightforward, very nice and calm, shallow beach. Not the first one which was like completely unorganized, then the rest with umbrellas, and then there is a part of the beach which is totally open and free, and like this part which is here, open and free. You can bring your own towel and just chill and have fun. Yeah, nothing like that I have to, not rocket science that I have to plan anything. And also they have advertisement for massage and spa and everything. Anyways, this was it for Almyrida. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts, recommendations in the comment section. If you want to support me, support the channel, my PayPal account link and Patreon account link in the description. And if you are already having a good time, then watch my next video after some epic drone footage of Almyrida. Yeah, I don't know if I got it right or not. Yeah, so I will be adding some nice drone footage of Almyrida at the very end of the video. Right now you are about to watch it, so you have a better perspective, and you see how it is, what it is. Yeah, and I hope it is helpful for you. Yeah, if it is, then let me know. Other than that, until the next time, peace.